Hi, Damien from LeakDtech here again. Just wanted to talk to you about commercial buildings and leaks within a building, a main building for instance. If you've gone through the long process, if you've got a high bill and you're pretty sure that it's not the supply lines to either irrigation, swimming pool or any other tanks on the property, and you're fairly confident it is in the main building, we would encourage you to switch off supply lines within the main building per floor and see if there is a way to identify the leak this way. Normally there aren't many ways to be able to do this, however. So looking in main risers to see if there is a leak in a main riser is normally a good way to identify a leak source if you're losing pressure on the main line once it gets inside the building. Another prime example of water leakage is just a leaking tap. So you might want to go around checking all your taps, your wash basins, your showers, your baths, or any toilets. If a cistern, for instance, on a toilet is leaking, you will get a high water flow. Any connected water usage within the main building must be checked for water leakage. If there is just a tap dripping throughout the building, if you have multiple taps, it adds up to a lot of water. So we would advocate that you try and investigate all the rooms, focus on bathrooms, focus on all the connections, and try and make sure that you identify the leak yourself. If you need help, we're available to do a roof-to-floor inspection of the entire building, identifying high water usage with our detection equipment, and we can then identify high flow pipes and help you. Alternatively, we can do a consultative approach and help review an entire building from top to toe with our team and help you solve those problems as quickly as possible. Thank you very much.